Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a split color text effect in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a new design and go to the custom size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixels and click on Create a new design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Let's change the background color of this template first. Click on the template and go up here and click on Color and select a color of your choice. For this video, let me select this color here. OK. Now go on the left hand side and click on Text. And now click on Add a heading. Let's write blue here. Now let's change the font. Double-click or highlight the text and go up here at the top and click on Fonts and choose any font of your choice. Let's select this font here, Anton, one of the most popular fonts on Canva. OK. Now increase the font size as per your requirement and align it in the center of this template. Now scroll down and click on Add a page here. Now scroll up again and select the text and duplicate it. And drag it down to the second page. Now change the background color to white and the font color to blue. Make sure to align the text in the center of this template. Now you can go on the top right hand side and click on Share and scroll down and click on Download. Let's download page 2 only. OK, now we have downloaded the image. Let's upload it back again. Let's place the image on the first page here and make sure to resize it exactly as the size of this template. After you resize the image on top of the template, you can now see the split color text effect. Resize the image from the top and bring it halfway down to see a horizontal view of the effect. Just like this. And if you want to see a vertical view, you can resize it halfway from left to right to view a vertical view of the effect. See, that was so easy. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.